is SAP? SAP, an acronym for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing, is a leading enterprise resource planning, or ERP, software solution. Founded in 1972 in Germany, SAP has grown to become a global leader in business software, providing solutions that enable companies to streamline processes, enhance productivity, and improve decision-making. SAP's ERP solutions integrate core business functions such as finance, human resources, manufacturing, and supply chain management into a single system. SAP's strength lies in its ability to provide end-to-end solutions that are scalable, flexible, and customizable. With a comprehensive suite of applications and services, SAP helps organizations of all sizes achieve operational excellence and adapt to changing business environments. Core features of SAP. Integration. SAP integrates various business functions into a unified system, ensuring seamless data flow across departments. Scalability. SAP solutions cater to businesses of all sizes, from small enterprises to large multinational corporations. Customizability. Businesses can customize SAP modules to fit their specific needs and workflows. Analytics. Advanced analytics and reporting tools help organizations make informed decisions. Global reach. SAP supports multiple languages, currencies, and compliance standards, making it ideal for global operations. Key SAP modules and their functions. SAP's modular design allows businesses to implement only the functionalities they need. Here are the main SAP modules and their detailed descriptions. 1. SAP Financial Accounting, or FI. The FI module focuses on financial management and accounting processes. It helps organizations manage financial data, comply with legal requirements, and produce accurate financial reports. Key features: general ledger accounting, accounts payable and receivable, asset accounting, financial reporting and compliance, integration with other modules for real-time financial updates. 2. SAP Controlling, or CO. The CO module complements the FI module by focusing on internal cost management and profitability analysis. Key features: cost element accounting, cost center accounting, profit center accounting, product costing, activity-based costing. 3. SAP Sales and Distribution, or SD. The SD module manages the sales process from order creation to delivery and invoicing. It streamlines customer interactions and ensures efficient order fulfillment. Key features: sales order management, pricing and billing, shipping and transportation, credit and risk management, integration with customer relationship management. 4. SAP Materials Management, or MM. The MM module deals with procurement and inventory management. It ensures efficient handling of materials and resources. Key features: purchase order processing, inventory management, vendor evaluation, material requirement planning, or MRP, and invoice verification. 5. SAP Production Planning, or PP. The PP module focuses on production planning and control. It helps organizations optimize manufacturing processes and manage production schedules. Key features: Bill of Materials Management, or BOM, production orders, capacity planning, material requirement planning, or MRP, and shop floor management. 6. SAP Human Capital Management, or HCM. The HCM module streamlines human resource management from recruitment to payroll processing. Key features: personnel administration, time management, payroll processing, recruitment and talent management, employee self-service portals. 7. SAP Extended Warehouse Management, or EWM. The EWM module focuses on efficient warehouse operations and inventory tracking. Key features: warehouse structure management, inbound and outbound processing, inventory tracking, labor management, automation, and robotics integration. 8. SAP Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. The CRM module improves customer engagement and relationship management. Key features: Salesforce automation, marketing campaigns, customer service and support, analytics and reporting, integration with social media platforms. 9. SAP Supply Chain Management, or SCM. The SCM module optimizes supply chain processes to ensure smooth operations. Key features: demand planning, supply network planning, transportation management, warehouse management, supplier collaboration. 10. SAP Business Intelligence, or BI. The BI module provides advanced analytics and reporting capabilities. Key features: data warehousing, real-time analytics, dashboards and visualizations, predictive analytics, and integration with SAP HANA for high-performance analytics. 11. SAP Project System, or PS. The PS module manages project-based activities, ensuring timely delivery and budget adherence. Key features: project planning and scheduling, budgeting and cost management, resource allocation, progress tracking, integration with other SAP modules. 12. SAP Governance, Risk, and Compliance, or GRC. The GRC module ensures organizations adhere to regulatory requirements and mitigate risks. Key features: risk management, audit management, compliance monitoring, fraud detection, and automated controls. Benefits of implementing SAP: enhanced efficiency. Automating business processes reduces manual effort and errors. Improved collaboration. Integrated systems facilitate better communication and data sharing. Scalability. SAP solutions grow with the business, accommodating increasing complexity. Data-driven decisions. Advanced analytics provide actionable insights. Global compliance. SAP supports international standards and regulations. Customization. Tailored solutions meet specific business requirements. SAP in different industries. SAP's versatility makes it applicable across various industries. Here are some examples. Manufacturing streamlines production planning, inventory management, and quality control. Retail enhances customer experience through CRM and efficient supply chain management. Healthcare optimizes patient management, billing, and regulatory compliance. Finance provides robust tools for financial planning, risk management, and reporting. Logistics ensures efficient transportation and warehouse operations. SAP is a powerful ERP solution that empowers businesses to optimize their operations, enhance productivity, and make informed decisions. With a wide range of modules tailored to various business functions, SAP offers flexibility, scalability, and integration capabilities. Whether a small business or a global enterprise, SAP provides the tools needed to achieve operational excellence and drive growth. Adopting SAP is a strategic investment that yields long-term benefits. By leveraging SAP's comprehensive solutions, businesses can navigate complex challenges, seize new opportunities, and remain competitive in today's dynamic marketplace.